Find volume of the solid enclosed by the curves y equal to root x and y equal to x cube in the first quadrant rotated about the x-axis using Washoe method. Now, when do we use Washoe method? When the solid has the cavity in the middle like a donut. Let's find the region of integration for the given curves. Y equal to root x rotated about x-axis, y equal to x cube rotated about x-axis. Now visualize both the curves simultaneously. This is the required solid. Now Washoe method formula for volume is V equal to pi integration outer radius square minus inner radius square integration with respect to x or y limits from a to b. Let's understand the formula first. Consider the concentric circles as shown with outer circle radius capital R, inner circle radius small r. Now this area can be calculated by subtracting inner circle area from the outer circle area, which will be like pi r square minus pi r square. Same logic can be applied to volume. So required volume will be outer solid volume minus inner solid volume. Outer solid volume will be integration of areas of all the outer solid slices like this, and inner solid volume will be integration of areas of all the inner slices like this. Hope you understood the formula. Now, when do we integrate with respect to x and with respect to y? If the curves are rotated about x-axis and the slices are perpendicular to x-axis like this, then radii will be y equal to f of x. In that case, integrate with respect to x and find limits of x. If curves are rotated about y-axis and slices are perpendicular to y-axis like this, in the radii in this case are y x equal to f of y. Integrate with respect to y and find limits of y in this case. Let's find the limits of integration now. As seen from the figure, there are 2 points of intersection which can be calculated by solving the given curve equations, which are y equal to x cube, y equal to root x, equating x cube equal to root x, squaring both sides, we get x power 6 equal to x, taking x to LHS, x power 6 minus x is 0. Solving this, taking x common, x power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x power 5 equal to 1, which means x equal to 1. So the limits are x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Also from the figure, outer radius is root x, inner radius is x cube. Let's find the volume now. Substituting outer radius, inner radius. Outer radius is root x, its square. Inner radius, x cube, its square. Integration with respect to x, x limits 0 to 1. Integration root x square is x minus x cube square is x power 6 using indices properties. Applying integration x raised to n formula for both the terms, which is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So first term integration is x square by 2. Second term integration is x power 7 by 7. X limits 0 to 1. Substituting upper limit, lower limit in place of x, we get pi. First term becomes 1 by 2 minus second term 1 by 7. Solving this, which is 5 by 14. So required volume is 5 pi by 14 cubic units.